Most of you have completed the test. So it's time
Yes,
to
ma'am.
discuss the answers. One
Ma'am,
by
first,
one.
Javan.
Only Jayavant first. Okay, let me speak the question first. Since 1930, which country holds elections after every 6 years and which has never been under a military or dictator's rule? Yes,
Mexico, B.
yes, good. Mexico. Clear? Everybody? Yes, second answer. Anybody else?
Ma'am
Ma'am,
Trisha.
may I?
Ma'am
Okay.
Trisha.
Trisha, yes.
Ma'am Estonia.
Estonia. Good. Estonia. Then next, third, autocracy gives every man the right to be his own oppressor.
Ma'am, Javan.
Ma'am, true.
Who has given the answer first? True.
Harshita.
Harshita. Okay. Yes, it is true. Now the fourth one. What is referendum?
Ma'am, Javan.
Ma'am Trisha.
Okay, Trisha first, and then Jayavant next. Be ready. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, referendum is a direct and universal vote in which an entire electorate is invited to vote on a particular thing.
Hmm. Good. Anybody else?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Yes. Again, the same
A
one.
ref.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am. A referendum is a direct vote in which an entire electorate is invited to vote on a particular proposal.
Hmm.
This may result in the adoption of a new law. In
Hmm.
some countries, it is synonymous with a plebiscite or a vote on a ballot question.
Yes. Ballot question. Yes. Means entire electorate is asked to either accept, they can accept also, or reject also the particular proposal. In this, it will be clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Not only accept, but it can reject also. Then next is
Ma'am, Javant.
ha,
Ma'am
democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Explain. Yes.
Ma'am, who?
Both of you decide who. Who will give?
मैम उसको बोलने दो पहले.
Okay, okay,
मैम
fine.
अलग हुआ तो मैं बोल.
Okay, okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Trisha? Hmm?
democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Only in democracy, different groups can live. In India, people from different religions.
Trisha, voice is breaking, beta. Means it's not clear. Others can hear properly.
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
Trisha, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now speak out again.
Ma'am, democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Only in democracy, different groups can live with each other peacefully. In India, people from different religion and language. Democracy keeps our country together.
Good. Yes, good.
Ma'am, that much.
Okay, okay, no problem. Good. Next, Jayavant.
Ma'am, and seventh one, can
Ma'am
I
it's
speak?
same.
Seventh one, who is asking for the seventh one?
Ma'am seventh में बोल
Nishika.
दो.
Nishika, okay. Nishika will speak for seventh. Yes, Jayavant, speak out. The same question or the next question?
मैम सिक्स्थ वाला तो मैम मेरा भी सेम है, मैं सेवेंथ के लिए बोल रहा हूँ.
No, sixth, I have not asked yet. Only we have done with the
Ma'am, may I?
fifth, democracy.
मैम मैम
Ma'am, may I? Sixth one.
Okay, okay. Who? Name? Gunjan?
Harshita.
Okay, Harshita.
Harshita.
Okay, Harshita.
Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. In a democracy, all major decisions are made by the elected leaders. In a democracy, free and fair elections should be held regularly. Democracy should be based on the principle of one reason, one vote, and one value.
Good, good. Yes. Anybody else? What, according to you, is the broader meaning of democracy? Broader meaning. Anybody else? Gunjan?
मैम सेम है, बस पॉइंट्स ऊपर नीचे लिखे मैंने.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is also same.
Okay, no problem. Then next
Ma'am,
is
may I?
who?
मैम
Ma'am,
जेवंत.
sixth question, Trisha.
Ma'am,
Sixth
seventh one,
question.
I'm
Okay, sixth again. Who
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to repeat?
Ma'am, Krisha.
Okay, Trisha, repeat sixth
Ma'am,
question.
democracy is a form of a government in which the rulers are elected by the people.
Hmm.
The rulers are elected by the people who take all the major decisions. The choice and opportunity is available to all the people on an equal basis. Elections offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change their current rulers. It is a form of government where the elected leaders have to do some functions and respect some rights of the citizens.
Hmm. Good. Yes, seventh one. Who asked you? Nishika.
11th.
Ma'am, may I?
First, wait. First, I think Nishika told me
Nishika.
that
Yes, ma'am.
Hana. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, seventh.
These are different steps taken by President Mugabe of Zimbabwe to
Hmm.
remain in power.
Hmm.
Public protest and demonstration against the government was made illegal.
Hmm.
Opposition party members were harassed and their meetings were disrupted.
Hmm.
There is also the law that limits the criticism on
Hmm.
president.
Very good, President.
Those journalists who goes against government
Hmm.
were also harassed.
Hmm.
Telecasting agency like TV, radio were controlled by the government.
Good. Yes, Jayavant.
Ma'am, ditto same.
Ditto, same, no problem. I want to hear once again.
There were different steps taken by Robert Mugabe in Zimbabwe to
Hmm.
remain in power.
Hmm.
They are as follows.
Hmm.
Public protest and demonstration against the government was made illegal.
Hmm.
There is also the law that limits the criticism on president.
Hmm.
Opposition parties members were harassed and their meetings were disrupted.
Hmm.
Telecasting agencies like TV, radio were controlled by the government.
Hmm.
Those journalists who goes against government were also harassed.
Good. Good. Now Hemaram and Yogesh.
Ma'am, one more point can be added.
Yes, one more point who want to give? Gunjan?
Ma'am, yes,
Who?
ma'am, he changed the constitution several times to remain in power and to be less accountable towards the people.
Yes. Good. Now him before I go with Himaram and Yogesh, please type once again present in the chat box. Please type present once again in the chat box. In the meanwhile, I'll ask Hemaram and Yogesh also any answer. Hemaram and Yogesh, any answer from among these seven? Which answer you have written?
Ma'am, question number 3, ma'am, true.
Okay. Question number 3, true. Okay. Any other answer? Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. From fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. No problem. Okay, for tomorrow, please revise lesson number 1 of geography for revision test
Yes,
9.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
the class will be in the morning tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Third
Yes,
period.
ma'am.
And in 9
10:30.
9:40.
Ma'am, 10:30, I think.
Oh,
9:40.
9:40 to 10:20.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
9:40.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Third period.
Okay, fine. So have you written present in the chat box?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Then you can means leave the class. If you want, if any queries or any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Good day.